Top 5 dairy alternatives that strengthen bones and joints. Strong bones and flexible joints are essential for a healthy, active life. While dairy is a common source of calcium and vitamin D, many seek alternatives that provide similar benefits without lactose or animal products. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints? Discover the natural solution. Visit the link below in the description for the details. Here are the top 5 dairy alternatives that strengthen bones and joints. 1. Fortified plant-based milks. Almond, soy, oat, and rice milks are often fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Soy milk is especially beneficial due to its phytoestrogens, which may help preserve bone density. 2. Leafy greens. Kale, collard greens, and bok choy are rich in calcium and magnesium, crucial for bone strength. They also contain antioxidants that reduce joint inflammation. 3. Tofu and tempeh. Calcium-set tofu and fermented tempeh provide protein, calcium, and probiotics, supporting both bone structure and nutrient absorption. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia, and sesame seeds supply calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients support bones while reducing joint stiffness and inflammation. 5. Seaweed and algae. Kelp, wakame, and algal oils are excellent sources of calcium, magnesium, and plant-based omega-3s, promoting joint flexibility and skeletal strength. Incorporating these top 5 dairy alternatives that strengthen bones and joints ensures long-term bone density and joint mobility. Diversifying your diet with plant-based milks, leafy greens, soy products, nuts, seeds, and marine sources supports both structural resilience and overall musculoskeletal health. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints so you can move freely, exercise without discomfort, and enjoy daily activities with ease? Visit the link below in the description for the details. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.